Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a quick look at 6 different websites that can help you make significant money and income in 2023. Let's get right into it. The first website would be this website called Elite Personal Finance. So here they help you with financial advice and help you make smart decisions with your money and all of that. But that's not why we're here. So if you go down the page, you will get to a page here that says write for us, and here they want you to write for them and they pay you $300 to write for them. So you can make as much as you want with them. Okay, just make sure that you're writing in any of these topics. So if you're able to write in any of these topics and you submit it to them and they accept it, they pay you $300 each time. So they pay $300 for guest posts. So if it interests you, then you need to send an email to them at info@elitepersonalfinance.com with your post idea, and if they like what they see, they will approve it and you can repeat and rinse. So this is one way to make money if you like to write, or if this just interests you in any way. The next website would be arrivedhomes.com or arrive.com. So this website actually helps you invest in properties as little as $100. So you can invest as little as $100 with them, and you get a portion, you get a share with them, and you're able to get return on that investment every time. You don't need a bulky investment. You don't need to have all the money to be able to invest in properties. This is just made easy for you. So this is how it works. So you just come to their website and browse properties. You would select whatever properties catches your eyes or whatever property interests you. You would buy shares. You would buy the amounts, whatever amounts you are interested in, and then you earn rental income and appreciation. So it's just as simple as that. If you've been looking to get into property investment and you don't have all the funds and you want to start earning passive income effortlessly, this is for you. So that is another website that can help you earn, and it will help you earn passively. So effortlessly invest in a rental home or vacation rentals and start earning passive income. It's as simple as that. So all you need to do here is to go to invest, and then you see all the properties they have, and you can select whichever catches your eyes here. There are loads of properties here. You can see how much of funding this has received, this property has gotten, how many investors. If you like what you see, then you can invest here. You can scroll down and see all the properties that you may be interested in investing. And if you want to learn more about them, you can go to About Us here and check out About Us and read about them and see what they do, see where they're located, and learn more about them. So that is arrivedhomes.com or arrive.com if you're looking to invest in properties. Now the third website is specifically for a niche, and that is for bakers. So if you're somebody who bake, or you have you love to bake, or you have a baking business, or you're a pastry chef or something like that, this might interest you. This is Bake Tutors, and it is an online marketplace for bakers or bake enthusiasts who want to teach how to bake, or you want to teach your skill to other people. So what they do particularly is they allow you create courses on here. It's just like a Udemy for bakers. You can host your courses, your pre-recorded courses. You can host one-to-one sessions or one-to-many. That's group classes where you can have seats for students to buy and pay, and then you go live with them. So this is what they offer: online classes, that's online courses. You can upload your pre-recorded courses. So if you are a baker and you have courses that you've recorded or that you've taught before, you can upload it onto Bake Tutors and then just have people buy from here. So you don't need your own website, you don't need your own hosting or whatever. It's done for you. Or you can do one-on-one live session or group sessions where you're able to give certificates to students and all of that. It's all done for you inside here. So that is what they do. So if you want to become a tutor, you just go to become a tutor, and you can see the benefits of teaching with on-baked tutors. Then you can see all of this. You can make money teaching, you can teach on your own time, you find more students, and all of that. So that is Baked Tutors. All you need to do is to register on the platform, complete your profile, and then start teaching what you know, monetize your skill. So that is, I just wanted to put this here if this applies to you specifically. The next website I'll be talking about is Fiverr. I'm sure we all know Fiverr, and Fiverr is like a simple entry point for you if you're looking to make money online. You can create as little as logos, banners, whatever. You can actually sell almost anything on Fiverr. So you just need to come on here, become a seller, and just create an account, upload your details, write a good description of yourself, what you do, and then people will find you and take your services. So you can create logos. There are loads of stuff to do here. You can become a social media manager, you can manage people's Etsy stores, you can write resumes, you can write email copies, whatever it is that you're good at doing. You can do voiceovers, you can code, whatever it is you know how to do. You can come onto Fiverr and list yourself here and sell your service. There are lots of people making money selling on Fiverr. So I just wanted to put Fiverr here for you. If you've not heard of Fiverr before, this is a good place for you to actually get to make a lot of money. So these are logos that you can create. You can create some of this in Canva and just offer the service here. You can see people are making a lot of money here. You can see these are over 200 services available for logo creation. So you can come in here, create an account, and then list your service and start making money. So Fiverr is another good place to make money in 2023. The next one I want to show you is the fifth one, and that is Neighbors. So if you do have spare space or storage and you want to rent it out, you can become a host on Neighbors. You can rent out self-storages, you can rent out vehicle storages, parking, you can rent out commercial spaces, and all of that. So you can do that here on Neighbors. All you need to do is just come on in here and register yourself as a host, become a Neighbor host. You can list your space here. It's absolutely free to list your space. It's the easiest way to make money from home by storing vehicles and belongings. So people are able to use your space and they pay you for it. So these are options that of places you can rent out. You can rent out your garage, driveway, your basements, your carports, sheds, warehouse, even your bedroom. Can rent out anywhere you have space. Okay, so you can list your space here. You can do that every time and people will find you here and rent your services. So that is another website that can make you money in 2023. And the last one I want to show you guys is called Ko-fi. Now it's Ko-fi or coffee. So it's just like Patreon. It's for creators or people who have fans or who have an audience that you want to create either a membership for or exclusive content, and you want them to be able to pay you. Now Ko-fi is free. You can create a page and then start making money. Okay, it's really that simple. You can sign up for free and then start creating content for your exclusive audience and have them pay you every time for it. So it doesn't matter what it is, you can get it behind Ko-fi. So if you have an audience that wants to have maybe exclusive content or things you don't want to just post on maybe YouTube for general viewing, and you want to create something else, maybe of a higher tier for some specific people, you can do that and get it behind Ko-fi, and you can charge them whatever it is you want to charge them, either monthly or one-offs. So that is what it is for. You can create digital products and get it behind Ko-fi. Okay, So you can offer memberships, you can take commission on requests, and you absolutely can start for free. And that it is, you can connect your PayPal to it and your Stripe account to be able to withdraw your funds and be able to withdraw your money. So those are 6 websites that can make you money in 2023. There are other websites, but I wanted to share these 6 specific ones with you in this video. Make sure you're subscribed, because I'll be coming up with more websites that can make you money in 2023 and beyond. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of another video again. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you're subscribed. Please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. And please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might need it. Leave me a comment in the comment section if you have any concerns for me. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.